reducers I made. Now I'm out here working on the ramp truck again in the dark, and it snowed recently, but getting ready to put the exhaust on. Just took the reducers off the headers, get them ready. Put the truck up in the air, give me a little more room underneath. The jack stands under the axle. And hopefully here, maybe in a couple days, I'll work on the exhaust. It's supposed to warm up into the scorching hot heat of 50 degrees. That's better than 30 or whatever the heck it is right now. It's probably 20 some degrees. There was a lot more snow, but it melted. Today it got to probably like 30, 35 I think is what it's supposed to get to. Maybe it was warmer than that, I don't know. It melted a lot. But got my cardboard down so I don't lay on the snow. And one thing about the cardboard is you can make a redneck slip and slide, because this stuff slides down snow like you want to be walking along and standing on a piece of that on snow, you'll go land on your butt. Anyways, I'll show some more when I get ready to put the exhaust on. Yeah, I'm working on the ramp truck again, working on the exhaust. Those are my reducers I made. That's the mufflers I'm using. They're used, but they're like new. And one side taken care of. Out here in the snow and ice again. That's the tail piece. I still need to make another turn down piece on the end. Got the collector I made on and tack welded there. Focus out, got a clamp there. Board back here. The jack stand under here to hold the muffler up. With the pipe. Clamp the bolt up there, the hole in the frame. It'll come down, the muffler will be welded right there. Dark under here. Handy dandy baling wire holding up the pipe there. Do a little more welding. Then I'll stick the muffler up under here and tack it to the pipe there. Position it where I need it. This hanger with a clamp on it. Now I'll pull the whole exhaust out and finish welding it, and then this side should be done. And then on to the other side. We got a new regulator for the bottle. The old regulator went through crap. It wasn't welding right. But it looks like she's welding pretty good now. A lot better than it was. when you started welding, the gas would flow and then it would stop. Now I'm guessing the regulator just went bad because it is a little old. This stuff doesn't last forever. So. Okay, got the right side all tacked on. Muffler's on. Got plenty dark under here. But it's tacked up in there. Good enough to where you can undo it all. Pull it out and weld it not underneath here. Because being under here sucks ass. So sick of crawling underneath this thing. And I'm almost done. Alright. The right side exhaust is done. Completely welded. Is ready to put on. And it can stay on. Need to turn down at the back. Anyways, I did screw up. I bought some 3-inch clamps, because that's 3-inch exhaust, with some knockoff Flowmaster mufflers. But I didn't buy enough. I bought 2. I need 4. I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought I had some, but I think they're 2 1/4 or 2 1/2. Anyways, it's break time. Time for a Pepsi. Well, here's a good one for you. Never picks up the light, but had to wrap it come along. Around the header. Because the header was too close to the frame. But it's right now. A little redneck engineering there, I guess. But whatever works. Okay, got the driver's side exhaust up in there. It's all tacked in place. Now I need to do, then bolt it up at the header. Take that clamp off up there. Take that clamp off. Take that piece of wire off. Undo this clamp. And I can take it out and weld it on the ground outside. Still need to undo, if I can't see it, run that a light, got a flashlight, and come along up there. Anyways, you can kind of see it there. There it is. Because the header was angled too close to the frame. Anyways, I'll back up underneath here and look at the lake I'm working in. Mud hole. Threw a bunch of stuff on the ground, but it still got wet. Look at that. That side ain't too bad, but I need to take that out. Finish welding it. And I can bolt it back up in there and put the rear clamps on. And at least they'll be up in there. I'll have to get 2 more clamps. But I don't know if I can get anything today because today is Thanksgiving. I don't know when this will be posted on YouTube, but might be next year before I get it on there. But anyways, that's where I'm at today. There's probably nothing open to get a clamp. I have to check with an O'Reilly's and see how late they're open. Give me a couple more clamps and then I'll be done. And of course it's getting dark on me, so better get that out. Get her welded up. Yeah, okay, got the second pipe welded. Driver's side. And it should be ready to go on once it cools down. But that is a 10-foot stick of pipe. It's pretty long. And it's fairly heavy. And I'm going to have to drag a light out because it's getting dark. You might not notice it so bad on the camera out here, but you can see the light up. It's dark. Have to drag a light out and put the exhaust on. Alright, got both sides on. Bolted up in there, the hangers are bolted on, the clamps are bolted in. So we need to take that jack stand out. And the come along's hanging there somewhere. Flashlight can't really see it, but. And there's two hangers up there, but no clamps. And never got around to calling parts store either. Guessing they're not open being it's Thanksgiving. I'm out here working on this because it's one of the last nice days and the weather's supposed to turn to crap. It's what, Thursday? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Saturday is supposed to be decent. Sunday is supposed to snow 5 inches, so gotta get this done. And it's basically done.